Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to reset the registry to default in any version of Windows, whether you're running Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, or Windows 7. I will show you a simple trick to reset the registry back to default. Let's start. There might be times that your PC is affected by a virus and the registry values have been changed, and there are certain changes in your system, but you don't know how to fix that from registry. Then this is the video for you. We will reset the registry back to default using an application by the name of Subinacl. It is Microsoft's application, but you cannot find the download links on the Microsoft's website. If you want to download it, I have put down the download link in the down below video description. Download it from there and then select the software, right click on it and then select open. Click on the next button, accept the license terms and then click on the next button. It will be installed in this path in drive C. It's okay. Click on the install now button. In the user account control, click on yes. Click on the finish. The application is now installed. Now all you need to do is to create a batch file. Open Run and then type notepad. Press OK. I have put down a few commands in the down below video description. Copy it from there and paste it in the notepad. Using these commands, the registry will be reset back to default. This command will help you to reset the 𝙏𝙤𝙢𝙢 local machine, the current user, the classes root, and the system drives and all the permissions that you have set. After you have pasted the commands, click on the file and click on save option. You can save it anywhere you want, but I would like to save it on the desktop. Give it a name. And from the save as type, select all files and at the end of the name, type .bat. It will save the notepad as a batch file. Click on save button and close the notepad. As you can see guys, that here is the batch file that we needed for the next step. Now go to the program installation path, which is drive C, program files 86, and Windows resource kits folder, and then tools. Copy the patch from the desktop into the installation path. I will drag it and then drop it. Click on the continue button. Now you need to run the CMD as administrator. Open start menu and search for CMD. Select run as administrator. In the user account control, click on yes. Now go back to the installation path. Copy the installation path. Right click on the address bar and select copy address. Now let's go back to CMD. Here you need to write cd and paste the installation folder path by right clicking on the CMD and then press enter from the keyboard. Now you need to write dir to show the directory or the files inside the folder. Here, as you can see guys, that we have our batch file by the name of registry_reset.bat. Write down the name of the batch file along with the extension. And then press enter from your keyboard. This process will take 15 to 20 minutes and it depends on the specification of your system. Let's wait until the registry is restored back to default. Point to be noted that you should not close the CMD or interrupt the process because it will damage your PC and you will not be able to boot up your operating system normally. Let the process finish and then you can restart your PC. Here, as you can see guys, that the execution of the batch file is now finished and the registry is reset to default. Now all you need to do is restart your operating system. And that's all for today, guys. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another one. Till then, have a nice time.